BPO interview tutorials, and today we will be covering an important topic that is calculated field. How we guys can use a calculated field to get a formula in a pivot table directly without doing any manual calculation. So before moving to the video, I would request everyone to please share, subscribe the channel, and also click on bell icon so that you guys can get the notification at the first instance. And also would request everyone to check out the playlist wherein you will be getting videos related to Yellow Belt Six Sigma training, related to the Excel. You may also get interview tutorials for the BPO field. So without wasting time, we will start our video today. And so we have a raw data here wherein we have an employee name and how many audits they have done and how many errors received for those audits. So simply what I will do, I will just generate a pivot table. I will select the entire row. I'll go to insert and I'll click on pivot table and OK. So you guys can see a pivot table got generated. Simply I'll keep the employee name here. I'll keep the audit count here, and I'll keep the errors also. It's up to you guys what sort of data required and how you guys want to calculate the what calculation you guys required. So after done with that, now I want to calculate fair audit percentage. Fair audit percentage in the sense like how many audits are failed and what calculation we have received. Any formula you can do. You can also calculate CSAT, you can also calculate accuracy, you can also calculate the defects, the defect percentage, you can also calculate contribution. It's up to you guys. So what I will do, I'll just click on the pivot table. Make sure to highlight this particular field. You guys need to be there in the pivot section. Once done with that, go to analysis, click on field item and set and click on calculated field. Here I will keep my field name as fair audit percentage. Now what I want, what is the formula that you need to memorize, guys? For an example, if I want to calculate contribution, the formula will be total audits, which means the grand total divided by the individual errors divided by the grand total error. So it's a simple formula you guys need to memorize. And the fair audit formula, you can watch out the previous video, guys, wherein I have clearly explained about the CSAT, DSAT, how to calculate fair audit percentage and everything. So we know the fair audit percentage formula here is equal to open bracket 1 minus, or else directly 1 minus bracket. Now what I will do, error, insert the field, then divide with the audits, insert the field. Now I will close the bracket. I'll click on OK. See guys, the formula got calculated. I'll go to the home section, I'll go to percentage and I'll give certain percentage here. I hope this is pretty much easier to calculate the formula in the pivot section itself. Now you guys can copy paste this data to anywhere where you guys required where you guys are thinking to paste. You guys do a simple calculation, you can paste it wherever you guys want. So here with the help of this, we don't want to do any manual calculation. With the availability of the raw data, whatever you guys have, you can directly calculate the formulas. You can also calculate in a multiple way. If you want anything from my side to be calculated, please let me know in comments so that I can share you the formula, and I will help you out how we can do that. And the main thing what should be there here is we should have a required data, because see, if I want to calculate fair audit here, how I will calculate, I will do just equal to 1 minus, I will select the error divided by, I will select the audit count, and in this I will get the formula here 0.76. I got the same answer. But what I did here, I just calculated this in a pivot section for the entire rows. I hope you guys got the clear understanding related to the calculated field. And if you still have any doubts, anything you want to know, please do comment and share my video as much as you can and help out your colleagues wherein the managers are asking the report to be published as soon as possible. Thanks a lot guys. Thanks for watching. Please be alert, we will be going with more videos in upcoming days. Thank you so much. And you can also subscribe my channel. You can also like Facebook page or the Instagram page wherein we will be posting job vacancies related to the BPO fields, even also for the Excel related videos. Thanks a lot guys, thanks for watching.